Welcome to the .NET MAUI Kanban board tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to define columns, set work in progress limits, and restrict card movement between columns using the Syncfusion .NET MAUI Kanban board. I open an existing MAUI application. Here, I have already configured the .NET MAUI Kanban board control and set up the source that provides the collection of cards. To learn how to add the .NET MAUI Kanban board control to your MAUI application, watch the video linked in the YouTube card above or the description below. Now, I run the application. You can see that the Kanban board is displayed, along with the cards in each column. To manually define the Kanban columns, I first disable the Auto-Generate Columns property. In the SF Kanban control, I add the first column titled To Do. I assign the categories Open and Postponed, and set minimum and maximum limits for the number of items allowed in each column. To visually indicate when the number of items exceeds or falls below these limits, I configure the Error Bar Settings property. Within it, I define the Kanban error bar settings by specifying the fill color, the color used when the count is below the minimum limit, the color when it exceeds the maximum limit, and the error bar height. I do the same to create additional columns for In Progress, Code Review, and Done. Once the application loads, you will see the error bar displayed for each column. You can then drag items across the columns to manage tasks and visually monitor limits. Lastly, I will show you how to restrict card transitions between different workflow states. First, I open the main page CS file. Inside the constructor, I initialize the workflows property. For each workflow, I create a new instance of Kanban workflow, assign a category, and specify the list of states it can transition to. I repeat the same process for postponed, code review, and in progress states. Now, when I try to move a card from one state to another, you will notice that only the permitted transitions are possible, and any restricted transitions are stopped. Let me wrap up this video. You learned how to define columns, set work in progress limits, and restrict card movement between columns using the Syncfusion .NET MAUI Kanban board. If you want to see this example's working code, download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also included a link to check if you qualify for our community license, which gives you a free license key for all our .NET MAUI controls. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.